Hi viewers, welcome to my classroom. In today's class, you are going to learn poster writing. Let us move to the class. Poster, a part of English advanced writing skills. Let us see what is a poster. A poster is a pictorial and textual means of creating awareness about an event, a social issue, a public instruction, or a product. It is a pictorial and textual means of creating awareness about an event, a social issue, a public instruction, or a product. Hope you understand. Why do we use posters? They are an effective means of communication in the modern age. They are one of the formal ways to reach a section of people or people at large in a short time to inform or create an awareness about various events, social issues, and public instructions. Hope you followed. Where do we find posters? Posters are displayed in schools, colleges, institutions, organizations, government offices, bus stations, railway stations, airports, hospitals, banks, public places, etc. Hope you followed. A few topics for poster writing. Let us see what are they. Cultural evening can be any cultural program or any event. Save water, save earth, save trees, save animals, save energy, global warming, say no to drugs, say no to plastic, environmental pollution, plastic pollution, cleanliness, avoid smoking, etc. Let us pay attention on important rules in general to be followed while writing poster. Let us see the first point. Always begin with an eye-catching slogan or title. Enclose the poster in a box. Adhere to the word limit of 50 words in the body of poster. Use convincing and inviting language. Make your poster short and to the point. Remember to give clear and crispy information. Use slogans and statements to convey your motive. Heading should be captivating and eye-catching. Make use of all the available information in the question. Let us pay attention on some more important points to be noted while writing poster. State the purpose of poster clearly. State the effects and solutions to the problem. Focus on presentation and clarity. Make poster visually attractive. Use simple drawing. Use different font size for heading. Give proportionate spacing. Hope you followed. Now let us see the format. In the format, poster includes. These are the things which have to be included in poster. The posters for events. Heading, that is name of event. Purpose of writing the poster. Date, time and venue. Name of organization. Mention entry fee. Highlights of the event or any other relevant information in the question. Now the format for social issues. First point. Heading on social issue. This is important. Problem and its cause should be there. Effects of the problem, solutions to the problem, and additional information. Hope you followed. Let us have a look at the format of poster. On the top, name of the organizing authority, and below that, heading, that is name of the event. Followed by that, purpose of the event. Then followed by that, date, time and venue. Space for picture if required, either left side or right side you can have a picture. Then main attractions if any, left side. Right side, highlights of the event. Then below that, entry fee if any. Then finally, it should be ended with organizer's name. Hope it is clear to you. Let us look at the marking scheme of poster. Total marks allotted for poster writing is 4 marks. Now let us look at the distribution of marks. Format 1 mark for writing heading, slogans, name of organizing authority, font size, proper spacing and layout. And for content 2 marks for exhibiting the theme, details of the subject, details like place, date, time, any relevant information. And for expression 1 mark. In expression you must have for overall organization, required content, accuracy and fluency, etc. Hope you followed. Now let us have a look at the question. For example, your school Kendriya Vidyalaya NTPC Ramagundam is organizing a cultural evening to collect funds for slum children. The executive director of NTPC has consented to be the chief guest. Draft a poster to be displayed in different areas of your locality. You are the cultural secretary of your school. Let us see the answer. Look at the answer. Name of the organizer or organizing authority. Cultural Society Kendriya Vidyalaya NTPC Ramagundam is organizing a cultural evening. Here the name of the organizing authority is Cultural Society Kendriya Vidyalaya NTPC Ramagundam, and the heading is Cultural Evening. What is the purpose here? To collect funds for slum children. Then below that, date, time and venue. After that, name of the chief guest, Mr. Arun Kumar, Executive Director, NTPC. He will be the chief guest. Then any attractions? Attractions are dance drama, songs and skits, magic show, mimicry. Then below that, tickets. Adults ₹50 for each, students ₹20 for each. If you have any caption, you can add it. Open to all, help a noble cause. And finally, organizer's name, that's Secretary, Cultural Society. Thank you. Hope you followed everything. Now look at the question number 2. An example for social issue or a problem. Let us see the question. Water is precious and each one of us must stop wastage. Prepare a poster in not more than 50 words urging people to employ various methods of rainwater harvesting in their colonies. Water is precious and each one of us must stop wastage. Prepare a poster in not more than 50 words urging people to employ various methods of rainwater harvesting in their colonies. Now look at the answer for social issue. Heading: Water is precious. Now it should be followed by the problem and its effects. What is the problem here? Beware. Water table going down alarmingly. Scarcity of water in every town and city. Acute water shortage ahead. The problem and effects both are there. Yes, right side. If you want to draw any picture related to this, you can draw. Save water, save life. Below that, a caption: don't waste water, save every drop. Below that, you can see the solutions for the problem. Take care. Never leave taps open. Use as much as you need. Use recycled water in watering plants. Employ rainwater harvesting in your colonies. Below that, give a caption if you have. Thank you, friends. With that, we complete poster writing. Hope you followed. And that's all, viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.